If you're thinking about buying Magento Commerce for your dropshipping business, here are 12 key things you need to know before making that decision. We'll cover everything from pricing to flexibility and how it stacks up against other e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Stick with me till the end, and I'll give you my personal recommendation for a better alternative. First up, let's talk about pricing. Magento Commerce is known for its complex pricing structure. Unlike Shopify or WooCommerce, which have clear, tiered plans, Magento requires you to pay for hosting, development, and additional features. This makes it less predictable in terms of costs. If you're just starting out and don't want to deal with surprise fees, you might want to think twice. Next thing to consider is its flexibility. Magento offers incredible customization options for developers, allowing you to tailor your store however you like. But here's the catch: if you're not a developer, or if you don't have one on your team, it can be a major hurdle. Shopify, on the other hand, offers a more user-friendly experience with its drag-and-drop builder, making it ideal for beginners. The third thing to keep in mind is the complexity of the platform. Magento Commerce is not exactly plug and play. You'll need time and expertise to set it up and maintain. With Shopify or WooCommerce, you'll get quicker deployment. So if you're looking for simplicity, those might be better choices. The fourth thing is scalability. Magento Commerce is built to scale, and it's great for large businesses with big catalogs. If you plan on expanding significantly in the future, Magento is a solid choice. But for smaller stores, this level of scalability might be overkill, and platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce could provide all the features you need without the extra complexity. Fifth, Magento comes with robust SEO tools. If you're aiming to grow your organic traffic, you'll appreciate the advanced SEO options it offers, which outperform Shopify in certain areas. However, Shopify provides built-in SEO features that are easier to use for people who don't want to dive into technical details. Next up is integration. Magento has a wide range of integrations with third-party services and payment gateways, but setting them up can be challenging. If you want ease of use, Shopify's App Store is a lot more streamlined, offering easy integration with most dropshipping tools. The seventh point is customer support. While Magento does offer support, it's not as immediate or accessible as Shopify's 24/7 support. If you value quick help, Magento may not be the best option for you. Shopify has a team ready to assist you around the clock, and for many, that's a huge selling point. Eighth, let's talk about hosting. Magento Commerce requires you to either host it yourself or pay for managed hosting, which means higher overhead costs. Shopify, on the other hand, takes care of hosting for you as part of its subscription, simplifying the process and reducing your workload. The ninth thing you should know is Magento's large community of developers and experts. While this can be great for support and custom development, it also means that finding the right person or team can take time and can be expensive. Shopify has a similarly large community, but is much more accessible for people who don't have a developer background. 10th, Magento offers a high level of control over your website's data and security. For businesses concerned with maintaining complete control, Magento is an attractive option. However, this comes with additional responsibilities, such as managing security patches and updates. Shopify, by comparison, takes care of security automatically, making it a more worry-free option. 11th, performance. Magento is known for being a bit slow out of the box unless you optimize it, especially as your store grows. Shopify, by contrast, has a built-in content delivery network, CDN, that helps improve load times right away. If speed is a priority, Shopify might be the better option. Finally, let's look at ease of use. Magento is fantastic for developers, but can be challenging for the average business owner to manage. Shopify is all about simplicity and ease of use, while WooCommerce offers a bit more flexibility, but with the simplicity of WordPress. So, is Magento Commerce a good option? It's definitely a powerful tool, but it's not for everyone. It's best suited for large businesses or those with the resources to invest in custom development and ongoing maintenance. If you're just starting out or looking for something simpler, we recommend trying out our alternative solution, which you can start using for free.